Can you imagine a house in space? Not just any house, but a giant science lab where astronauts from all over the world live and work together. It's called the International Space Station, and it's whizzing around Earth right now. The International Space Station is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of international cooperation. Just like in your favorite space movies, astronauts live and work aboard the station, conducting experiments and making incredible discoveries. Can you imagine floating in zero gravity and gazing down at our blue planet? The best part? We can actually see the International Space Station from Earth. Sometimes it looks like a bright star moving quickly across the night sky. Wouldn't it be amazing to spot it with your own eyes? For more fun space adventures, be sure to subscribe to Beat Lab Kids TV. Now let's learn more about this amazing home away from home. The International Space Station, or ISS for short, is a giant spacecraft that orbits Earth. It's about the size of a football field. It has many different parts like modules where astronauts live, laboratories for science experiments, and even a big window to look out at space. The ISS is like a giant puzzle, built by different countries. Pieces were sent up into space and then carefully put together by astronauts. It's amazing to think that humans built something so big in space. The International Space Station is constantly moving. It travels at a super fast speed of 17,500 miles per hour. That means it orbits Earth about 16 times every single day. Wow, that's fast. It's like a giant floating laboratory and home combined. Astronauts live and work on the ISS for months at a time, doing important research and learning more about space. Living in space is very different from living on Earth. Since there is no gravity, everything floats. Astronauts have to use special straps to hold themselves down when they sleep or eat. Can you imagine eating your breakfast while floating? Astronauts also have to exercise every day to stay strong in space. Because there is no gravity pulling on their bones and muscles, they need to work extra hard to keep them healthy. They use special equipment to exercise and stay fit. Going to the bathroom in space is also a unique experience. Astronauts use special toilets that use air instead of water to flush. And showering? They use special soaps and shampoos that don't need to be rinsed off. Imagine that! Despite these challenges, living on the ISS is an incredible adventure. Astronauts get to see amazing views of Earth, conduct important science experiments, and learn what it's like to live in a whole new environment. The International Space Station is like a giant science lab in space. Astronauts conduct all sorts of cool experiments up there. They study how plants grow in space, how fire behaves differently without gravity, and even how the human body changes. One of the most important things astronauts study is how to grow food in space. Imagine having a garden in space. This is important for future missions to the Moon or Mars, where astronauts will need to grow their own food. Scientists on Earth also use the ISS to study our planet. From their unique vantage point, astronauts can observe weather patterns, track pollution, and even monitor the health of our oceans. It's like having a giant orbiting camera. These experiments help us learn more about space, Earth, and even ourselves. The knowledge gained from research on the ISS benefits everyone and helps us create a better future for all. The International Space Station is a shining example of what we can achieve when we work together. Astronauts from all over the world, the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and Europe, live and work together on the ISS. Imagine living and working with people from different cultures and backgrounds, all united by a common goal. The ISS is a testament to the power of collaboration and the importance of international cooperation. Astronauts communicate in different languages, share meals from their home countries, and celebrate each other's traditions. It's like a mini United Nations in space. The ISS shows that even though people come from different places, we can all work together to achieve amazing things. It's a beautiful example of unity and cooperation for the entire world. The International Space Station might seem far away, but it plays an important role in our lives here on Earth. The research conducted on the ISS is helping us to understand our planet better, and find solutions to problems like climate change and resource depletion. The technologies developed for space exploration, like water filtration systems and solar panels, are also being used to improve life here on Earth. It's amazing how exploring space can lead to new inventions that benefit everyone. Most importantly, the International Space Station inspires us to dream big and reach for the stars. It shows us that anything is possible when we use our imagination, creativity, and determination. The ISS is a symbol of human ingenuity, perseverance, and our boundless capacity for exploration and discovery. It's a testament to the power of human collaboration and the importance of investing in our future. Do you dream of exploring space? Maybe you want to be an astronaut, an engineer, or a scientist who studies the stars. The good news is, you can. It all starts with curiosity, a love for learning, and a desire to explore the unknown. Read books about space, watch documentaries, and visit science museums. Ask questions, build models, and never stop exploring the world around you. You never know what amazing discoveries you might make. Remember, the International Space Station is just the beginning of our journey into the cosmos. Who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? Maybe one day, you'll be the one to find out. And don't forget to subscribe to Beat Lab Kids TV for more fun space adventures. Keep looking up, keep dreaming big, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. Bye-bye!